This video will cover setup and usage for the RIDGID TwinBlade saw, R3250. This video is not designed to replace your product's operator's manual. This video is here as a guide to offer clarification to key features on your tool. Always read, understand, and follow the warnings and instructions outlined in your product's operator's manual prior to use. You can also contact RIDGID customer service for further product information. If you do not have a copy of your product's operator's manual, call RIDGID customer service at 866-539-1710 or visit RIDGID.com to obtain one before you use your product. Make sure the tool is unplugged. Depress and hold the spindle lock. Remove the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise with the provided blade wrench while keeping the spindle lock depressed. Retract the lower blade guard into the upper blade guard using the blade guard lever. Make sure the lower guard spring works properly, allowing the guard to move freely. To install the blades, with the words on the inner blade facing out, align the inner blade over the locator pins. Note, the saw teeth will point down at the front of the saw. Check to see that the saw teeth and arrow on the saw blade and the arrow on the lower guard are pointing in the same direction. With the words on the outer blade facing up, place the outer blade on the arbor. Note, the saw teeth on this blade point up at the front of the saw. Check to see that the saw teeth and arrow on the saw blade and the arrow on the lower guard are pointing in the same direction. Depress and hold the spindle lock and replace the blade nut. Tighten the blade nut securely by turning it clockwise with the blade wrench. The TwinBlade saw is capable of cutting through wood, plastic, and metal materials. In order to make the best possible cut, always hold the saw firmly with both hands. Make sure the saw is on and at full speed prior to coming into contact with the material. Both blades should enter the workpiece at the same time to avoid kickback. Be sure to use a clean, sharp blade. Never make cuts with dull blades. If you need new blades, use only the specially designed blades for this saw. These blades can be purchased at the Home Depot and through HomeDepot.com. When cutting soft metals, be sure to use a wax stick. Remove the cap on one end of the wax stick and insert the uncapped end into the wax stick holder. In order to apply the wax, turn the wax dial clockwise. Additional wax sticks are also available online at HomeDepot.com.